Good afternoon, everybody. Welcome to Proformance Unlimited Custom Crate Engine Building. Okay, what we happen to have here is one of our 540s. This is an advertised 650 horse. Just got done making about 688 horsepower. Made 760 foot-pounds of torque. It's a real beast. Again, you can check out our build sheet on this thing, but it's got all the best pieces that you can buy. It's got MSD distributor, it's got Holley carburetors, it's got full forged rotating assembly, a beautiful hydraulic roller camshaft in this, all the best stuff you can buy and put in this engine, A/P bolts and all the stuff. Hey, again, what do I always say? The proof is in the performance. If you're interested in any one of our packages, give us a call. We'll be happy to put something together for you. Peace. God bless. All right, Julio, I got your 67 Chevy Chevelle engine here. Happens to be one of our 540s. Gonna fire it up. You should love the torque on this one. Boy, that thing fires up nice. Beautiful water push, beautiful AFRs. We're running at about 170 degrees right now.